Traffic stops are among the most common interactions between law enforcement and the public. What begins as a routine procedure can quickly become complicated when protocols aren't followed or when drivers fail to comply with lawful orders. In this opening segment, we observe the initial contact between an officer and a driver who appears to be a correctional officer. Pay attention to the communication patterns, body language, and adherence to standard traffic stop procedures. Notice how the officer approaches the vehicle, requests documentation, and explains the reason for the stop. The driver's response and demeanor will set the tone for everything that follows in this encounter.
Before we dive into the details of this body cam footage, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more cases like this.
How are we doing?
Doing good.
You have your license and insurance, please? Ambersale and North Aurora.
What am I being pulled over?
Well, a couple of things. Number one, you're speeding. Number two, you have a license plate cover.
Okay, it's going to stay there.
I'm sorry? I can't understand you. What?
It's going to stay there. So
It's,
you
what's going to stay there?
That. The license plate cover.
Okay. Do you have insurance for the vehicle?
No, go ahead, write the ticket. I'm not looking.
You don't have insurance for the car?
I got insurance, but I ain't got it with me. It's at home.
Okay. Is this your current address?
No.
No? Okay. What's your current address?
During the traffic stop, Christopher Cribbs presented more than just his credentials. He identified himself as a correctional officer and handed over his Cook County Sheriff's correctional ID.
Hold on. I'm an officer and I'm armed. My gun is right here, so you don't go crazy. Here we go. Because it's right here. I just remember.
Okay.
Here you go. I got to tell you the truth.
Okay.
All right, come on, get the ticket on, or let me go home. I got shit
I
to
don't
do.
understand why you're acting like this.
Because I asked you, I don't know, because I'm irritated today. And I'm ready,
Okay,
I'm right here at the crib. I got another crib right here. I'm just ready to go home. I'm tired.
Okay, so what is your actual address then?
The address that this car comes back to is what you just wrote down.
Yeah.
Okay. That's
Right.
the only one you need.
Okay, what town is that in?
That's Naperville.
Okay.
Because I stay over I got an
There's a
apartment
lot
over
of Giordano's in there.
And down. You know that's downtown Naperville.
Okay. There's no other main streets?
Hold on. Why did you jump out the car?
Okay, stay in the car for me.
As the officer made her way back to the squad car, Christopher suddenly extended his hand out the window, waving it deliberately, an urgent gesture meant to pull her attention back. Something told him the stop wasn't going the way he'd hoped.
What do you need? Well, I'm trying to do something. No. Why are you? You can't leave.
Follow me.
What do you need to talk about?
Follow me.
No, I'm not following you. From 22, he decided to pull off from my traffic stop.
The driver identifies themselves as a correctional officer, which adds a unique dynamic to this traffic stop. Law enforcement professionals are expected to understand and respect police procedures, having worked within the criminal justice system. However, professional courtesy doesn't supersede legal obligations during traffic stops. Watch how the interaction develops as the officer continues with standard procedures while the driver responds to requests for documentation and explanation of their actions. The driver's familiarity with law enforcement culture becomes apparent in their language and approach to the situation. This professional background needs review may influence both parties' expectations and behavior throughout the encounter.
Write the ticket, but number one, number two, I'm on your taser. I asked you, what are you pulling me over for? You said a number of things. What was the number of things? You only said my plate. I said
Speeding.
Oh.
And the
speeding?
plate cover.
How fast was I going?
Okay.
Nah, you don't know. You see where I'm at. Come around, knock on the door, get a supervisor. Because I don't even trust her.
Of course.
Because she got it on her taser cam. I showed her my taser cam, and both of them motherfuckers scared me.
I'm not scared of you, sir.
Okay, I got pulled over for possibly speed. I don't know. And the plate cover. Okay. The only reason she seen the plate cover because I was speeding. Correct? When they put me over. When she come to the car, you can see, you can read my plate. I know I ain't on patrol. I know she's supposed to run my plate and send it in. She come to my car. I give her my license. She asking me, is this the correct address? I said, no. This car comes back to another address. She would have known because I kept on telling her the same shit. She would have known that should she had a red in the plate.
She might not have read it yet. I don't know.
I know, but she coming to the car now. I got my gun on me and shit underneath the seat because I just went in the grocery store or whatever, right?
Okay.
So now I'm like, oh shit. She's standing here, she see my gun, let me show her my officer. And she still ain't giving me the fucking ticket, you know what I'm saying? Or whatever she gonna do.
Okay.
That's what I'm tripping on. We still here talking. She called her a backup. What we talking about? I got shit to do.
Okay.
A traffic infraction. And I told her I'm an officer. I say, can I talk to you? Because I wanted to ask her something. I forgot what it was. Because I can't come over there. I can't walk back to her because she's scared of me.
Where are you an officer at?
Cook County Sheriff Department. I drive the buses. I drive the big bus. I drive the inmates to court to other counties. I'm in the process of retiring. 17 years. I'm currently on the job.
So you left then, is that right?
Yeah, I pulled off over here because she won't come to the car and talk to me. I can't come to the car and talk to her. So what the fuck we standing there for? And she know I'm an officer. So what is we talking
here's the
about?
thing though, if you're an officer, you should know that you need to stay there, right?
What did I do?
You left the scene.
Oh, that sounds like a bullshit report.
You left the traffic stop.
Did I try to get your attention to come to me?
Yes, and I was in the middle of doing something.
Okay, who do you work for?
City
Christopher Williams. Who do you work for? Because in this capacity, you work for me. And so you told me not to get out the car. That means come here. You asked me what? I said I needed to talk to you.
Chris, we have kind of a way we do things, right? We get the information, whatever, we go back and make sure all the
I got
things
you on
good.
that, and I got the protocol. I know we operating great.
But listen,
But what she doing, she operating in the red. She fucking up.
But listen.
And I'm trying to give her a big up.
Just because you call her up doesn't mean she can drive everything and come right back, right?
I can't come to her.
That's true. But at a traffic stop, you got to kind of wait, right?
I followed the rules.
Okay.
I followed the rules.
Well, you might have. I don't know.
No, hold on. Wait a
But
minute. You know I followed the rules. I asked her to come here, and she said she was too busy to do it. But she wasn't doing nothing when she stepped out the car halfway. And
The driver's non-compliance with officer instructions becomes more pronounced, leading to increased tension and potential safety concerns. Law enforcement officers are trained to secure compliance through escalating levels of response when their lawful orders are ignored or refused. This segment shows how officers must balance patience with the need to maintain control of potentially volatile situations. The correctional officer's behavior needs review appears to contradict their professional training and understanding of law enforcement procedures. Watch how the responding officer attempts to de-escalate while still enforcing compliance with lawful orders. This creates a challenging dynamic where two law enforcement professionals find themselves in adversarial positions, highlighting the importance of following proper protocols regardless of professional relationships or courtesy.
what do you want?
Right.
So you can't tell me, you can't bullshit me. Bullshit somebody
I'm not
else.
trying to bullshit anybody. Listen, this is how it works. Like, she stepped
I
out.
respect the badge, man.
I know.
I respect it.
She acknowledged that you waved at her, right? But she's in the middle of something. She can't just stop and come back and forth through. That's not how it works. I mean, you kind of know that,
I was
right?
being an asshole because she was being who she is.
Okay, and that's.
And all I do,
I would hope
all I did was work within the rules. I didn't break no rules. I asked her to come here. I pulled off. She got my license. What the fuck I'm gonna do? Here go my other address.
Right, I understand.
This plate
You can't
and that
just
plate come back to the same fucking address.
Okay.
And I left it open
what
so they
address
can
is
run
that?
the plates and all that.
What address is that? Who's it belong to?
Me, my company,
Okay.
Town Naperville.
Okay. That being said, being that you're an officer and you know how things work, why would you leave?
Because she wouldn't come, so I had to
But
make
that
her
makes no
come
sense
to me.
That makes no sense.
I had to make her come to me. I can't look. I was doing what I needed to do to control the situation.
But that's the thing, though.
I made her do what I wanted her to do, right?
As you know,
I made her do what I
control the
wanted to do. Hey, I do this. I do this.
I know, so you should know. At that point, you don't control the situation.
I never did control the situation, but I brought it to where I wanted it to be. Y'all don't realize that because I work in the jail. I play with criminals.
Okay, so here's what.
This is a learning lesson.
What do you want to do?
You know that. You know this is a learning lesson. Because she shouldn't have even followed me. Come on now. She did wrong, I did wrong. We both fucked up. You know that.
First of all, tell me how she did wrong, and then tell me how
Number
you
one,
did wrong.
If she see I'm going through a mental health crisis because you don't know me, so you got to assume that there's a mental health crisis. And I showed you my ID. At that point, it should have been de-escalated. You should have took your hand off your waist, all that shit. We should have had a conversation amongst peers. If you're going to write the ticket, you're going to write the ticket. I didn't care. I never did care.
So was she writing the ticket when you waved her?
I don't know
back?
what she was doing. She was taking all goddamn day.
Okay. So then how did you
And
said,
then you record.
we all recording, we all are. So you said she messed up and then you messed up. So now how did you mess up?
I didn't mess up. All I did was I got what I
you
wanted.
did wrong, or she did wrong and you did wrong, I guess you said. What she did, you just told me what she did wrong. What did you do wrong?
And then when I come out here, I left the garage door open, I left the gun, and I showed her that I left the gun in the car. So it ain't no thing. Then she pull up, I'm trying to talk. I'm trying to close the distance so I ain't got to yell and all these mother, because she knows this. But it is what it is, man. Okay. And you know this shit. Yeah, I'm telling the truth. And you can't even, hey man, hey.
I'm just trying to figure out what would possess you
to
leave other than
health crisis, because she.
Okay, she's going through a mental health crisis. Okay.
I'm bipolar, and she initiated that.
Okay.
Me
so
up,
do you need an ambulance right now?
I need to relax. I'm running my bath water.
Okay.
I cut it off since I came out here.
Do you need an ambulance right now?
No. I'm just telling you who I.
Okay. So what?
We all got something wrong with us. What the hell?
Well, you said you had a mental health crisis. I just making sure.
Yeah, she triggered it with this bullshit. Okay. Look, man, I'm trying to bridge the gap between the divider between this shit. We shouldn't even be having this conversation. All right. What I'm trying to do in Naperville, I'm trying to bridge the gap. Okay.
One way to bridge the gap would be when you get pulled over like you did.
And
you did great. You did great.
I pulled down all the windows.
You did great. You did great on that. But then, don't just leave.
Man, I told you why I left, and it was a slow speed leave.
But you understand how it works, right?
I understand. I got you.
And you can't just say, you know what, screw this, I'm leaving. You can't just do that. You can't do that.
After a stretch of relentless arguing, Christopher seemed to come to his senses, realizing, perhaps too late, that compliance might have spared him the worst. Officers moved in to detain him, attempting to place him in handcuffs. At first, he appeared to cooperate, but then, without warning, the situation erupted. Christopher lashed out, shouting, resisting, growing more aggressive by the second. A struggle broke out, and what followed? It wasn't just a routine arrest. It was raw, real-life chaos, something straight out of a crime thriller. Brace yourself.
We're going to place you under arrest for leaving the scene of a crime. Right? If you don't mind, just turn around for me.
Hey, can I make a call though? Hold on. Can you lock up my house? Because I got shit.
Yeah, we will. Yeah, we will.
Okay, come on.
First of all,
I was waiting on this.
Is this locked?
I swear.
Okay.
Do everything right.
Thank you.
Okay?
We will definitely.
I promise you. I promise you. Can I get I need my phone though.
Okay, where's that at?
You got me handcuffs. Can I walk with you inside my house? Yeah, I'm handcuffed. I can't do shit.
Just let her finish.
Just so it doesn't tighten up on you, okay?
Oh, this is the first time I got cuffs on me. Yeah. Let me make a scene.
No.
Hey.
Let's not make a scene.
They putting cuffs on the officer. I'm a Cook County sheriff.
Okay,
right.
You want to get your phone?
No. We gonna make this. No, we gonna make a scene. Y'all want to put cuffs?
Well, we're not. All right. Well, we're not giving your phone. Then. We're not giving your phone.
Okay, if I don't get my phone, I'm not going in that place.
Well, yes, you are.
You gonna give me my phone? Okay. Y'all gonna pick me
up? Are you gonna leave? Are you gonna stop making a scene?
I want my phone.
Are you gonna stop making a scene?
Yeah. If I get my phone.
Let's get your phone.
Only one person going in my house.
No, we're all going in.
No.
Okay, well then we're not getting your phone. Let's go.
Well, then I'm not going. Hold on, y'all put cuffs on me, and I came back out here. I ain't going nowhere. Y'all gonna do your job. I'm an inmate now.
Yes,
I'm an inmate
yes,
now.
You are.
Yep. That's what you like.
You got it, or you want me to call some more? Come on.
No, you're not gonna leave my house unsecured. My weapon right there.
We'll get it. We'll get it for you.
We gotta get people involved.
CM33.
Hey, call the police. My gun in my car, and I'm an officer.
Come on.
They know I'm an officer. This ain't gonna work, baby. This shit gonna work. Oh, now y'all wanna play steel training with me? All right. No, ain't no Chris.
Let's go!
No, ain't no go.
Chris, come on, buddy.
Come on, y'all wanna play inmate?
Oh, I saw that.
Officer.
I saw
How you? What you see?
Come on.
I'm a handcuffs.
Come on.
No, we gonna get some people out here.
You want to get some people?
Yeah.
All right, we'll wait right here then.
Okay.
Turn your head that way for me.
No.
Yep. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. You're good. You're good right there.
All right, y'all got me over the thing. Y'all don't have to keep on going.
No, we did.
I'm not putting my head on the car.
Put your head down.
I'm not putting my head down.
Put your head down then.
Put it down for me.
No, I'm not going to do that.
Okay, I'm not putting it down. You got all this pressure on me. That shit don't work. Come on, I'll push with you. That shit don't work.
Okay, good. You're good then. Just stand right here.
I don't know why you come up here trying to be.
I tried to be nice to you. I tried to be nice to you.
No, you ain't being nice to yourself.
That makes no sense, dude.
Dude, all you doing is you making a news report. All you doing is making a news report.
No, you're making a news report.
Okay. We gonna see how this goes.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'm not putting my head down.
You don't have to.
Why you keep on moving my hands? You hurting me. You hurting me. Now I'm cool. You don't have to. You don't have to click me.
What I doing?
No, look at what you're
I'm
doing in my
gonna
hand.
hold it. I'm gonna control your hand.
You're not controlling my hand. That shit hurt. You hurting me. You hurting me. Ma'am, you were hurting me. You don't need to do this, ma'am. Okay.
No.
I told you you hurting me. You don't have to do it because you hurting me.
Relax, relax.
All right, tell her to stop.
Okay,
If you got me, you the man. Take care of this, Sergeant. Get her off of me.
No.
I don't need her to hold me.
she's not holding you anymore. She got her arm up here.
I don't need that.
She got her arm
All
up
right.
here. Nope. Stay down.
No.
Okay, you want to go down? Want to go down?
Nope. Oh, shit, you broke my leg.
Now, you want to do that? That's where we're going to stay and we're going to wait.
Okay.
This is on you, buddy.
Why did you do that? You could have
Because
broke my leg.
We didn't, though. You know why? Because you did it on your own. All right? So we're going to get you in the car.
I hope y'all don't tase me because I'm
No, we're not
sweating.
going to tase you. We're just going to get you in the car now.
Okay.
All right? We got to get him in the car.
Okay.
Hold on. I'll get up.
All right.
I'll get up because I'm not sure my leg gonna go. My leg broke. My leg is broke. I can't move my leg.
This encounter provides several important learning opportunities about police procedures, professional expectations, and citizen rights during traffic stops. The involvement of a correctional officer as the subject of the stop creates unique educational value about how law enforcement professionals should conduct themselves when interacting with other officers. Key takeaways include the importance of compliance with lawful orders, the limits of professional courtesy, and the consistent application of traffic laws regardless of occupation. This case also highlights communication strategies that can either escalate or de-escalate tense situations. For law enforcement professionals, this serves as a reminder that off-duty behavior reflects on the entire criminal justice system and that professional standards extend beyond the workplace into personal conduct on public roads.
My leg is broke. The right one.
Which one?
This is right one. I can't move it.
Film all you want,
I
man.
can't-
It's his fault.
We're gonna sit you up on your butt. Is that okay?
Okay, I can't know. I need to
Your
keep
leg
it
is
like
not
this.
broken.
Look at the knee. Look at the kneecap.
Okay.
Stay right there.
Look at the kneecap.
I got you. Stay right
I
there.
can't move it.
Okay, we got your ambulance coming.
We're gonna keep you right here. You want to put your head down? That's fine.
No, I'm good with my head down. Hey, make sure you film me.
She is, don't worry.
filming.
So are we.
Broke my fucking leg.
Yes, let's get him here.
You broke my fucking leg. Hey, and they know I'm an officer. Shit, I can't move this motherfucker.
You good if I let go of you?
What the fuck I'm gonna do?
I'm just making sure.
What the fuck I'm gonna do?
Are you gonna fall? I
Come
don't
on,
want you to fall.
hold on to me.
Are you gonna fall back?
Because you like this shit. No, yep, I'm gonna fall
Okay,
back.
well, then let me
bust
have my hand.
No, I want your hand. I want it there now.
You want it there?
Yeah.
All right.
All right,
there.
come on. Come on, do what you was doing all that shit with 3 motherfuckers and I'm handcuffed. Do all that shit now.
What
Because
shit?
he must be, who are you? You must be a lieutenant or something.
Another sergeant.
Okay, another sergeant. He must got more sense than you because you acting right now.
Dude, I was acting right before.
No,
you were the one that
you was
went
on that
all
funny
ballistic
shit.
on us.
You was on that funny shit.
Started
I ain't did
screaming,
shit.
started trying to
Yep,
fight
I
us.
can do that. I fight you. Fight you.
Yeah. At first you sat down and
Fight
sit
you.
down on the ground.
I
and
was
then you tried-
handling y'all with the goddamn
And
cuffs
then you
on.
tried to get up and play with us.
How? My hands behind my back.
We had you nice right there, just waiting for
Okay,
our
I
people
was
coming,
standing
right?
up because she was
Yeah.
leaning on me.
Yeah. And then you decided to act a fool.
What's a fool to you? What's a
it
fool
all.
to
Well,
you?
we got it-
no,
we
no.
got it on video too,
I
guys.
asked you what's a fool.
We all got
Okay,
it.
I got you. Nigga, I got a taser.
It's fine. I'm glad you do.
Talking to you. Oh, you didn't like the word nigga, huh?
I didn't even hear you say that.
Does anybody?
Hey,
I'm
a
You don't need to
nigga.
keep talking.
I'm a nigga.
Stop talking.
Hey, your leg seems fine.
Hold on. You act like I was about to punch. You scary than a motherfucker. You shouldn't even be in this job.
Dude.
You've been elevated the whole time. The whole reason why, because it's your ego. Your ego got me on the ground. You fucked up. You shouldn't even be in this job. You fucked up. You gonna kill somebody. Naperville got enough going on with the race-rate relations, and you up here exciting it? You knew I was an officer.
Where do you want
You knew I was an officer. You knew I was an officer. This is an ego trip for you.
How does you be an officer?
Because I told her.
What happened?
I asked her to come talk to me. When I told her as an officer, she should have de-escalated the whole situation.
Why would you be an officer cause something to need to be de-escalated?
Because she don't need to worry about me shooting her.
Okay.
Because I'm an officer, I'm on her side.
All right. Okay.
Now you stupid too. Get out of here.
I'm not. I'm just asking questions because you seem like you're just hunting and pecking for anything, buddy.
Oh, well, I might as well get it all out my chest. I'm arrested.
All right. Can I ask you a question?
Stupid.
That has nothing to
Ain't
do
no
with this?
questions. You got me under arrest in my neighborhood.
I want to ask you a
Fuck
question
you.
about your house. How do you want me to secure it?
Nigga, fuck you.
I don't appreciate that.
No, I can't go in there. If you take the cuffs off and put them in front of me, one of you come in there with me. I get my phone,
How do you want me to secure your
my gun.
Not happening.
You take me to jail and you figure it out.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, let me tell you something. I'm going to give you forewarning on camera. I have a lawyer, okay? He has sued this city before, okay?
Thank you. Okay. We now know that.
Okay, fine. I'm trying to help y'all out. Go ahead and take me to jail. Do whatever the fuck you
Go
going to do.
stand up and get in the back of the car then.
Bitch, I can't stand up. You stupid bitch. Get the fuck away from me.
Chris.
Could you put me on the ground, you dumb bitch?
Wait, we're gonna get up. All right.
I can't move my goddamn leg, you stupid bitch.
All right. So what I want you.
The encounter reaches its conclusion as officers work to resolve the situation while maintaining safety and following proper procedures. This final phase demonstrates the importance of documentation, proper arrest procedures if applicable, needs review, and ensuring all parties understand the outcomes of the encounter. The resolution phase often determines whether incidents result in formal charges, warnings, or other administrative actions. Notice how officers communicate next steps and ensure the scene is secured. The correctional officer's professional status may influence the final disposition of the case, needs review, but legal standards must be applied equally regardless of occupation. This conclusion provides insight into how law enforcement handles situations involving other criminal justice professionals who fail to comply with lawful orders during routine traffic stops.
And if she can't take this while I'm on the ground, what the fuck is she an officer for? Huh?
Until they come and say.
What the fuck is she an officer for if she can't take me calling her name? I worked in the jail with no gun. You do that, because you can't even handle yourself on the motherfucking street with a gun. All these motherfuckers would have been inmates, and I could have controlled them. But you got all these motherfuckers on one person.
Great.
We're gonna let
So
them.
what
We'll let them.
leg hurts? What leg can you not stand on?
The one that's bent, I can't unbend it. My foot moved, but I can't unbend it.
Okay.
It popped or something.
All right.
And the bitch did that shit wrong.
Have you ever had any injuries prior?
No!
Okay. They're gonna.
All I was doing is standing up. How the fuck you gonna fight when you standing up with your arm behind your back?
I was not here. I'm here now.
They want me to fucking surrender on the car and shit. I ain't doing that shit, never. I want you to make this personal.
No, I don't.
Because it is personal.
I was
You're trying to
waiting for
play
you to
for the
say something.
cameras. But you gonna start fucking with me.
No,
That's
how
cool.
am I fucking with you?
You know my cars now. You know my addresses.
Oh,
you
I
gonna
don't
start
care.
fucking with
I'm
me.
not even normally
That's
up to this
cool,
area.
cause I ain't got no problems with the police. I got a
We
problem
have
with
no
you.
problem with you.
I got a problem with you.
I don't have a
because
problem
you
with
was
you.
sitting
What
here
do
to
you
be a supervisor and supervise these bitches. But you let this shit happen.
Chris. He says he's having a problem with his.
I can't
right knee.
my right knee. I can't unlock
He
it.
says he can't unbend
says-
it. Yeah, straighten it.
Yeah, hell
Gonna lay
yeah.
back.
Like, don't touch me, man. I don't trust you.
Is it okay if I lay back
Yeah, you cool.
Lay back flat on your back.
You
Don't
want
hit
me
your
to
head.
lay back?
Don't hit your head.
Get it.
You want
Hold
my
on.
knee? Is that good like that?
I can't move this fucking
Okay.
leg.
Let me just put my knee like this.
Stop moving.
Okay. Man, I ain't been this mad in a long time. I need to go back to work. Whoop the motherfucking ass.
I got to move too much.
Listen, we're gonna come on both sides of you.
You just don't know, man.
Chris.
You don't know.
Chris, you gotta pay attention to us.
Let them help you, and then you can talk to me, okay? Later, all right?
Christopher Cribbs didn't just walk away with a warning. He walked straight into a storm of criminal charges. After the dust settled, he was arrested and charged with felony aggravated unlawful use of a weapon, a Class 1 felony in Illinois carrying a potential 4 to 15 years in prison, and fines reaching $25,000. But the charges didn't stop there. He was also hit with aggravated battery to a police officer, a Class 2 felony that could earn him another 3 to 7 years behind bars and a $25,000 fine. Add to that fleeing and eluding resisting arrest and a stack of misdemeanors, all piling up to a potential year in jail and thousands more in penalties. And then there were the citations, no insurance, an unlawful license plate cover, and speeding, the original spark that ignited it all. According to court records in DuPage County, Cribbs is now undergoing a court-ordered psychiatric evaluation. The case is still unfolding, but one thing is certain. A traffic stop that could have ended with a citation now hangs over him like a gavel waiting to fall. Was the use of force in this encounter justified, or did it cross the line? That's the question hanging over this case like a shadow. The footage speaks for itself, but the verdict is yours to weigh. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Real Cam Footage for more raw, unfiltered moments where law meets resistance.